Imagine this. You're on a weekend trip, standing by a quiet lake at sunset. You pull out your tiny drone, toss it in the air, and within seconds, it's hovering, capturing stunning cinematic shots of the golden horizon. Whether you're starting your drone journey or just want something fun and easy to fly, that's the dream. Effortless, beautiful footage. But here's the big question. If you're a beginner, should you go for the DJI Neo 2 or spend a bit more for the DJI Mini 5 Pro? Both are lightweight, powerful, and beginner-friendly, but they serve slightly different types of creators. Let's break it down. Both drones are incredibly compact, but they cater to slightly different needs. The DJI Neo 2 is all about fun and simplicity. It's ultra-light, weighing just around 151 grams, which makes it almost feather-like. You can literally toss it into your backpack or even your jacket pocket and forget it's there. DJI clearly designed it for everyday users, people who don't want to deal with heavy batteries or complex setups. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 5 Pro stays just under the 250-gram mark, so it also avoids most drone registration requirements in many regions. But it feels a bit more serious. It's got a sturdier build, a slightly larger frame, and a more professional finish. You can tell it's meant for those who want a balance between portability and advanced performance. If you just want a travel-friendly selfie drone, the Neo 2 feels like a toy that flies like a pro. But if you want something that looks and feels more professional, the Mini 5 Pro has that polished flagship design. Here's where things get interesting. The Neo 2 uses a 12-megapixel 1x2-inch CMOS sensor capable of shooting 4K videos at up to 60 FPS and even slow-motion clips in 4K 100 FPS. That's impressive for a compact drone. Its wide 119.8-degree field of view captures great scenic shots, and it handles daylight really well. For casual creators, vloggers, travelers, or anyone wanting quick aerial shots, this is more than enough. But the Mini 5 Pro plays in a different league. It packs a 1-inch 50-megapixel sensor, which means sharper detail, better color accuracy, and superior low-light performance. You can shoot up to 4K 120 FPS, giving you incredibly smooth slow-motion footage. Plus, that 1-inch sensor brings cinematic depth that the Neo 2 just can't match. If you mostly shoot daytime content for social media, the Neo 2 will get the job done beautifully. But if you're the type who cares about professional-level footage, night shots, dynamic range, color grading, the Mini 5 Pro clearly takes the win this round. Both drones are built with beginners in mind, but their approach differs. The Neo 2 focuses on simplicity. It offers palm takeoff and landing, gesture control, and active track for automated subject following. You don't need to be a tech genius to operate it. It's literally made for people who've never flown a drone before. Even if you lose GPS signal or panic mid-flight, the drone's built-in obstacle detection and return-to-home system help you stay safe. The DJI Mini 5 Pro also caters to beginners, but it's much more feature-rich. It comes with omnidirectional obstacle sensing, LiDAR-assisted navigation, and Active Track 6.0, which follows subjects smoothly even in complex environments. The gimbal can rotate 225 degrees, so you can instantly switch between landscape and portrait, perfect for vertical videos on TikTok or Instagram. So for someone who wants a plug-and-play experience, the Neo 2 is the friendlier choice. But if you want to grow your skills and experiment with more control, the Mini 5 Pro gives you more room to play. Let's talk endurance. The Neo 2 offers up to 19 minutes of flight time, which is good for short sessions and spontaneous captures. It's best for nearby flights, scenic selfies, or casual travel clips. However, because of its lightweight body, it can struggle a bit in strong wind. Meanwhile, the Mini 5 Pro boasts up to 36 minutes on a standard battery and an incredible 52 minutes with the Plus battery. That's nearly triple the Neo 2's endurance. You can fly farther, shoot more, and worry less about battery anxiety. It's also more stable in windy conditions thanks to its improved aerodynamics and motor power. So if your goal is short, casual flights, Neo 2 is fine. But for longer creative sessions or professional work, the Mini 5 Pro clearly dominates this round. Both drones come with internal storage, which is super convenient. The Neo 2 has around 49 gigabytes of internal storage, which is actually quite generous. You can record multiple 4K clips without even using a memory card. However, some versions don't support external micro SD cards, which could limit flexibility. On the other hand, the Mini 5 Pro includes 42 gigabytes of internal storage, but also supports micro SD cards, giving you the best of both worlds. If you're filming long 4K videos or shooting raw photos, that expandability matters a lot. In short, Neo 2 is convenient for beginners, but Mini 5 Pro wins for creators who need storage flexibility. DJI is known for its safety tech, and both drones do a solid job here. The Neo 2 includes omnidirectional vision sensors, a forward-facing LiDAR, and infrared sensors underneath. These help it detect obstacles from multiple directions, making it one of the safest beginner drones you can buy. The Mini 5 Pro takes that up a notch, with true 360-degree obstacle sensing and better low-light detection. It's smarter, more responsive, and integrates with DJI's latest flight algorithms to avoid crashes automatically. If you're completely new to drones, both will make you feel confident, but the Mini 5 Pro is slightly more reliable when flying in complex areas like forests or cities. At the end of the day, both drones are amazing in their own way. The DJI Neo 2 is like your friendly flying camera, compact, approachable, and ready to go anywhere. The DJI Mini 5 Pro, on the other hand, is a mini beast disguised as a beginner drone. More power, more control, more cinematic potential. If you're stepping into the world of drones for the very first time, start with the Neo 2. It's cheaper, safer, and ridiculously easy to fly. But if you're serious about content creation or plan to turn your hobby into something professional, the Mini 5 Pro is worth the extra cost. Either way, both drones show how far DJI has come, packing professional magic into the palm of your hand. So, which one's the best beginner drone? If you ask me, the DJI Neo 2 wins for pure simplicity, but the Mini 5 Pro wins for long-term potential. The right choice depends on what kind of pilot you want to become. So, are you after a playful flying companion or a pocket-sized filmmaking powerhouse? Drop your pick in the comments below, Neo 2 or Mini 5 Pro, and tell me why. And hey, if you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more drone comparisons coming your way.